Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of September the 19th through the 25th, 2025. I always shop at Giant, but these deals are almost exactly the same at Martin's, and then Stop and Shop is just a sister store. So we do have some of the same deals. I will have my shopping list in the description box down below, so definitely check that out. If I talk too fast, which I've been told that many times, just slow me down in the playback speed. That way you can listen to me at a slower pace. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the deals. So first off, always check your markdown produce area, your markdown bakery area, and then I always scan the meat sections for markdowns. Always just keep your eyes out for this yellow sticker. Keep in mind you need to either use it right away or pop it in the freezer. But I found this bag of mini bagels for only $2.74. That was a good enough deal for me. This week, you can redeem points, 125 points for the potatoes, for the bacon bits, and then for the 75 count of wipes, that's $1.75 in points, or 175 points. The potatoes, it just works out evenly. You pay $1.25 in points, so it's a cost of $1.25 for 5 pounds of potatoes. That is a great deal. The wipes are even better. They are $4.29. When you redeem 175 choice points, it takes off $5.29, so you get a little dollar back there. So that's only a cost of 75 cents. So that's a great deal. And then the bacon bits, makes it completely free. They're $2.59. You pay $1.25 in points. It takes off $3.99. So it's actually a small little 15-cent moneymaker. So completely free, even with using your points. The Icees, these I found still a ton of clearance, like summer stuff. So anyway, these guys were still at 75% off at 31 cents. I bought it giving back 50 cents on each item. Just have it unlocked because I don't know if it's going to work on the barcode. I didn't check. I guess I should have checked. But I saw the Icee, and I think one of you guys told me that it's actually working on these little things that are on clearance. So anyway, that makes that a 95-cent moneymaker when you purchase 5 of them, with getting back 50 cents for each item. Even if you only have like 1 or 2 left in the store, you might as well get them. It's completely free. Give them to a kid that you know if you don't want them yourself. Now, this actually was a huge tracking thing for me. I had a weekend bonus. When you buy any 7 rebates, you get back $1. So this counted for 5 of them, and I just needed 2 more, which I did complete. I forget. I bought a couple other things, but anyway, I got an additional $1 back, and that really helped with the tracking there. These little boxes of freeze pops, my kids saw them and wanted them, so they were only 37 cents each. I did not see them last week at all, so I don't know if they were somewhere else in the store and they just brought them to the little clearance area. And then these giant pops, my kids are so excited about these. They are $1.50 on clearance, so they are gigantic freeze pops. There's 27 in them. I stocked my kids up. We are good on freeze pops now. All right, now I did this deal for my mom. I just wanted to include it and let you guys know this deal is better if you do it online. It did not work out in store how it was working out online. So it's buy one, it's like Tide and something else, really large containers. You could get a Downy product for free. So with the Tide, it's $19.99 on sale. We have a $4 digital. And then this guy here, for the free item in store, it reduced down to $9.29 because of the $2.55 digital. Now, when I did it online, it was taking off 9 something and then the additional $2.55 digital coupon. So like I said, it's better to do it online. It just didn't work out in store the way I had hoped. So I paid $15.99 for those 2 items, which is still a decent deal if you need that. Now, I also got back 160 choice points for buying, I think it was $50 worth of laundry, paper, and something else. It was like a huge tracking point deal. I had the whole month to complete. So I actually got that back as well. But it's a decent price if you need that. The spend 30 saved $10 instantly. I had everything all planned out. My mom really wanted Tide Pods. They were not attaching to the deal, and the Tide liquid was like costing more, $6.59 or something. So I didn't mess around with that deal. Maybe they'll fix it. I might go back and do it, but I think this is actually a better deal on the pods to begin with. So they didn't advertise that, so I didn't know that till this morning that it was going to work, but I would just do that online to get yourself some extra $2.50. I think that Downy coupon might expire soon though, so just watch that. Okay, the finish there, buy one get one free. There is a package that has even more packs in it, but my store, I couldn't find it. So I had to get the 36 count. I wanted the higher count ones, but they're buy one get one free at $12.49. We had a $3 and a $2 digital, so you're gonna pay $7.49 total, or only $3.75 each. which is cheap enough for dishwashing detergent. The Febreze fall scents, they have a little display of them at my store. They are $3.59. I bought it, it's giving back $2 and $1. I don't know why, they just have two separate rebates and they will automatically attach, and then there's a $2 digital that automatically comes off, so it makes that $1.59. They had some really interesting scents. They had sea salt caramel and maple, pumpkin roll, cranberry something, I don't know. I mean, they smell, I didn't spray any of them, so hopefully they smell good. So the Thomas English muffins, they're buy one get two for free at $5.49 for one, so the total is $1.83 each, which is a good enough deal if that's a product you like. The Keebler spooky cookies, they are $3, $1 back on Ibotta. And then one of you guys told me about some for rebate that I did find that I linked down below in the description box for you guys. It's $5 for a zoo, but it says you can use it for anything else. It's going to be a PayPal, Venmo, or I think a check or something. I'll just do PayPal to make it easy. But that makes it a little $3 moneymaker for that package of cookies. The Chobani is $1. I still have some coupons that they had mailed me. So I used the 75% off of one. It doubles up to make that completely free. The Blue Bunny here, it's on sale 2 for $5 with the load to card coupon. And then I just got an email from them last night. I do use two separate emails, so I got two different $1 off printables. So it makes it $3 or only $1.50 each. I found this meat, 2 package of meat sausage on clearance for $5.24. So I went ahead and grabbed that. The Bush's beans at $1.50 for the small cans with the 75-cent coupon they mailed me when I contacted them. That doubles up to make it completely free. If you've never watched that video, I'll try to remember to link it down below for you guys. It's a video I emailed all these companies and they mailed me coupons. It has direct links, so you can just go right on that and look at the description box and go right to the sites to request the coupons. This is the only point deal I did. Buy 5, earn 400. I grabbed 3 bags of the flour at $2.50 and 2 of the Pillsbury biscuits at $3. $1 back on 2 on Ibotta on the canned biscuits. $1 back or $1 off 2 digital coupon. Total cost after getting back $4 in points is $7.50 or $1.50 each. Now I also got back 750 points back on Fetch, which is equal to 75 cents for purchasing the biscuits. It was buy 4, earn that back, and I had already purchased 2 at Wise, I think last week or the week before. So for me, it was a cost of $6.75 or $1.35 each. The cheese is $1.77 when you buy 4. You can get the slices, the chunk, or the shredded. And then my card had 140 choice points when you buy 5. I already had some tracking toward that deal. It was 5 block cheese. So for me this week, I got back $1.40. $5.68 or $1.42 each. The International Delight Creamer, this is an amazing deal. This is our favorite creamer ever. It's $3 each. We had a $2 off of 2 and $1 off of 1. So if you grab 2 of them, you're going to pay $3 or only $1.50 each. The San Giorgio pasta is $1 this week on sale. We have a 75% off of 2 digital coupon. So it's a total of $1.25 or only 63 cents each. And then I also had earned 30 choice points on any 2 San Giorgio pasta. So I paid 95 cents or only 48 cents each. The Screamin Sicilian pizza, if you use the digital coupon, you're going to pay 2 for $9. And this is valid on the huge $10.99 I think this is. So this is a great deal, and this is a really yummy brand. We're interested to try this new variety of the stuffed crust. So 2 for $9. Now I did subscribe to their emails a long time ago, so they did send me $1 off printable. So I only paid $8 or $4 each. And the last dough I grabbed is on the Perdue refrigerated chicken. It's $1.49 with the in-ad coupon, and that is a limit of 4. All right, guys, so that's all I grabbed this week. If you have any deals that you want to talk about and let everyone else know, go ahead and do so in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.